Yet to come, a glimpse at my family's home gym, a battle with a painfully low roof, and the power of feng shui. Hi, I'm Jaden. It's currently the COVID times, and people are finding themselves in more or less odd situations. I'm currently at home in Vermont with my whole family in a small, noisy house, and it's hard to find space to feel calm and focus on my work. In searching for solutions, I found an unlikely source of inspiration: a chicken coop tucked in my backyard. It is nasty, hasn't been used in years. The walls and floor is caked with chicken poop and urine. There's cobwebs, cocoons, so much stuff in there, man. I'm not sure if anything will work out, but I think it's worth a shot. Firstly, was scraping out the cocoons, and I don't even know what to call those things, with a stick. Then it was sweeping out the walls and sealing out into the holes on the floor. Then going over every square inch and every crack in the coop with steel wool. Big webs would often get stuck in it, so it was a constant battle of scrubbing them out. And then over everything again with a rag. Next to the coop is an old pool. My brother and I come here to work out because it makes you feel really intense.
One more. This is it.
I mean, what's better than working out in an abandoned pool? After 2 days, the coop was still looking pretty gross, but I guess much less gross. At this point, I chose not to work to any music. In this situation, I'm doing external work to fix up the coop and doing internal work to adapt to this environment. This means being happy in a small space and being able to enjoy a low stimulus environment. In my perspective, it is all about intentional sacrifices. It's so easy to amass stuff and collect things. And when you do have a lot of extra things that you don't use every day, then you're also making sacrifices. I definitely feel when I'm getting rid of stuff that I'm becoming lighter and more free. It's more easy for me to move around and embark on projects because my life doesn't take that much overhead. It's so easy to take care of my space and all of my things. Feng Shui, in the traditional sense, refers to ancient Chinese energy work that harmonizes the individual with the environment. I like to use feng shui to represent this notion. In designing the life you want, you work on the external environment, but you also work on the internal environment to be in sync. Not listening to music is definitely getting me more in sync with the Coop, which sounds pretty weird. So today I've been working on painting the chicken coop, and I'm feeling pretty tired. It's been taking a really long time because there's a lot of nooks and crannies, and with each side it's becoming like a sanitary, nice spot. Kind of. I don't know. Yeah, definitely feeling really tired. Alright, it's day 3 of the painting.
Whoa. What the heck?
Yeah, I know. How bad is it?
It's really bad.
Oh no. Finally, all painted, it came to the floor. I used plywood my dad scavenged from pallets, cut it into shape, and screwed it in with help from my dad. It felt so much better. Look at that. Look at that. I also installed a finer mesh up in the gaps where the coop is open to air. And then I painted the floor and added some additional boards to seal in some nasty cracks I couldn't get to. And then with my friend Spencer, we cut an old rug into shape. The final step, to move in. Coming in the next video, a spider nest rebellion against the Coop's new order, a misty morning sunrise, and sacrificing my bed?